You that on
Jamaica.
praise.
This isn't a new game, but the options are always wacky. So today we're gonna play Would You Rather.
If you were reborn in a new life, would you rather be alive in the past or the future? So I'll ask you one, or you ask me
Okay.
one. That's yours.
Or we can. Okay. I would rather be alive in the past. I'm afraid of the future.
Okay.
So I would rather be alive in a nice little African village, you know, where things are orderly, you know, man go hunt and women hunt.
Ask me the
you know.
next one.
All right, next question. I would love to know what you said too, but there's so many. So yes, would you rather be extremely underweight or extremely overweight?
Underweight.
Underweight.
Would you rather have 3 kids and no money, or no kids with $3 million?
Oh Lord, $1 million sound nice. But as a woman who loves children and that maternal kick that I got for my first son, I'd rather have the children and raise them to be rich to give me money when I'm old.
Well,
you know. Yeah.
I would have 3 million and no picture. I could have buy one. But that's how rich me just go buy one.
True, too. But would you rather be the funniest person in the room or the most intelligent?
Most intelligent.
Really?
Yeah.
You know why I think it's better to be the funniest?
No, because if I am intelligent, I will be funny.
Exactly. And if you're funny and you're really funny,
then
you're intelligent because you have humor from all categories. So you should be well-read.
Would you rather reverse one decision you make every day or be able to stop time for 10 seconds every day?
I want to reverse one decision I make every day. So if I make a wrong one, I can't fix it.
So what if you don't make the wrong one?
Well, yeah, it doesn't have to be wrong to reverse. It can just do it better.
What's the next one?
Would you rather win $50,000? Let me see how you respond. Would you rather win $50,000 or let Empress win $500,000?
Let Empress win. No, I never say Empress. I said best friend. I am not the best friend. And the best friend part is key. Because my best friend will give me our money. But if it's you, you're not giving me no money.
That
so no, I don't want you will. So I would rather my best friend win $500,000 than me win 50,000. If him not give me like, or she don't give me like about 60, 70,000 out tight, you're not my best friend anymore.
Yeah.
Simple.
Yeah.
Or give me the 50,000 out tight. Would you rather rule the world or live in a world with absolutely no problems at all? Knowing you want to rule the world. Me know
it's
that.
true.
Me know.
Because I'm a Leo.
I just say it's
I want to tell people what to do.
Yeah.
I want it how me want it.
Yeah.
Even if it's not a problem, I want it run how me want it.
Yeah.
You understand? Not how people want it. I would like to rule the world.
Yeah.
But if I did that, I'd have to also be able to control the minds of the people to do exactly what I ask them to do.
Mm-hmm.
So that's going to be complicated.
What's the next one?
The next one I ask you, would you rather know how you will die or when you will die?
If I'd rather know how I will die or when I will die, when I will die.
Yeah, I'm with you on that one.
I want to know when I will die.
Why? Why not how? The how is scary.
Yep. Would you rather get away with lying every time or always know when someone is lying?
Me want to know when them a tell lie to me. When them a ginal me out. I want to tell them say, oh, me know say a ginal me. You're a liar. I would rather know when someone else is lying. Next one. Would you rather lose all your money and valuables or all the pictures you've ever taken?
I'd rather lose all of the pictures. I've never had a Sheffield picture in my phone. I'd rather lose that and keep my money.
You know, I'm thinking about it.
I
probably would want to keep the pictures, the stories.
I'm going on my phone one day, I was telling them I'm about 3 different areas where I see the same picture them. So me I say, they know the picture them all about. So me just delete this and them keep the other two. Well, when me delete that and me look at the other two, everything gone. Everyone when I don't see one picture. See me, but me say I know this me delete.
You know the worst
when I look, I don't see a picture.
You can't undo it once you delete.
No, but me I say they know the picture them all about. So me just say make my fish fix up that side. What's the next one?
Next one is.
Would you rather be able to see 10 minutes into your own future or 10 minutes into the future of anyone but yourself?
Me no want to see for your future. I want to see in my own future. I would rather see 10 minutes into my own future.
Okay.
Yes,
The
sir.
next one.
Would you rather live your entire life in a virtual reality where all your wishes are granted, or in a real world?
I want to live in the real world.
Really? I've gone into a virtual reality.
No, me want to live in my real world.
Yeah? All right. Well, all your wishes are granted in the virtual reality world.
Me want to live in the real world.
You like the dynamics of the real world. All right. Would you rather be... Is this me or you?
You.
Okay. Me to you or you?
No, you to me.
Would you rather be completely... No, I just asked you virtual reality.
So I was the real world one. Would you rather be completely invisible for one day or be able to fly for one day? No, sir, me want invisible for the day. Can you imagine? Me just say,
Yeah,
that's a
can you imagine? I fly on the wall.
Yeah, right. Well, I mean, just say, so when I am not around, this is what happens. I say, okay then. God, you can give me 2 more days of invisibility. Let me check out everything.
That's an interesting one.
What's the next one?
Would you rather be locked in a room that is constantly dark for a week, or a room that is constantly bright for a week?
Constantly dark for me. I love the darkness.
You like the darkness?
I love the darkness.
I'm a night person, but I can't lie to you. I'd rather maybe see light, because I could put the eye patch on, turn it down.
They may not have light. You just bust the phone.
Oh yeah, and when them cut off your light, no, and you can't charge your phone.
The problem is we couldn't find the charger in the dark.
Exactly.
It charged
Exactly.
Would you rather live without the internet or live without AC and heating?
It's a hard one. Well, I already live without AC. And I don't need heating in Jamaica if I'm going to live here. And I can get to a nice place in the cool Mandeville, where the breeze and, you know what I'm saying, I blow, or in the hills.
Last one.
So without internet.
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah. No, I'd rather live without... No, that one is confusing. Would you rather have a horrible job, okay, we both have to answer this one, but be able to retire comfortably in 10 years, or have your dream job, but have to work until the day you die?
For work in a horrible job for 10 years, would that kill me? Some want my dream job.
I know, right?
Horrible job for 10 days, would that kill me? Would that kill 10 years?
I know. But then again, the idea of being in a horrible job, which I'm sure 90% of our viewers watching right now are probably saying that they're working in a horrible place for the last 20, 30 years. But guess what? To be able to retire comfortably is really important.
I have one for you.
What's
That's
that?
Not
That's not that funny.
No.
I'm like, that was number 16. Where's that next question? What's that? Would you rather?
Yeah, would you rather be able to live with and marry like 5, 6 men, or just one?
Let me look up. It's called polyandry, I think.
Would you rather?
I'm thinking about it.
Would you rather what?
Me tell you when we're not up on TV, no?
No, tell me no.
No.
Your husband not watching. Your husband not watching.
Too many personalities for me to manage. But I can tell you that there is a question about polygamy and monogamy that we must have. And I know women who are third wives,
simple question,
fourth wives, and it works. No, but this is a big question now.
What is a simple question? Would you rather live with 10 men, married to all of them, or just
Can
one?
we start with the men and the women, because that's a common practice globally?
Just answer now.
No, I can't manage. I couldn't manage another man in my house. No, the one I have is a handful.
You wouldn't, not even 2? You could have.
I couldn't manage.
Okay, all right.
I'm going to stick to my Christian values.
All right.
My Christian values of one man. Men are difficult.
Ask me. Would
you rather have 4 wives or 1?
We're going to go for a break.
Answer the question,
back in just a little while. No, we have to go for a break.
Send us your response on Smile Jam TVJ Facebook
would rather
page.
Have 4
would you
wives?
rather the law change to say men can marry 5 women? All right. Would you like that law passed and to make it legal in Jamaica? That's a really important question. At least 2.
Me just feel
if you can afford a house for each.
Yeah, but me just feel me that wake up dead.
Why is Londi rushing us?
Yeah, because when we say we're going for a break, we're having a private discussion. I don't know why.